guys, welcome back to your channel Mathophile. So today we will be doing this question: fx is continuous at x is equal to 0. Find a where fx is equal to this. So we will check the continuous. We know that it is continuous and find the value of a. Okay. So first fx, because x is 0, f0 we have given 1 by 2. We know that at x is equal to 0, fx is 1 by 2. Okay. Now limit approaches x0 negative, means lesser than negative 0. So if it's not equal to 0, we have been giving this value. So we will put in this value 1 minus cos ax upon x sin x. So in 11th trigonometry we did a formula for cos 2x, which is 1 minus 2 sine square x. This was a formula. Okay, so now if we put a in the place of 2, or we say only for x, it will be 1 minus 2 sine square x by 2. Now multiply both by a. So you will be left with cos ax is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square ax by 2. And 1 minus cos ax, this term goes to that side and this becomes positive, and 2 sine square ax by 2. So this will be 2 sine square ax by 2. We will write limit x approaches to 0 negative 2 sine square ax by. So guys, we will write 2 sine square ax by 2 in place of 1 minus cos ax upon x sin x will remain like this. We will take 2 outside. Limit x approaches 0 negative. We have sine square ax by 2 upon x sin x. So guys, as we know that limit x approaches to 0, sin x by x is 1, tan x by x is 1, sine square x upon x square is 1. So we will use this formula in this question. We will use sine square x, this is x, upon x square, means we will write like this, multiplied by ax by 2 whole square into multiplied by ax by 2 whole square. And for this we will also multiply by x and divide by x, because sine x upon x is 1, we have discussed. So limit x approaches to 0 negative sine square ax by 2, we will write like this, sine ax by 2 upon ax by 2 whole square, 1, multiplied by x upon sine x, this also 1. So we'll see what's left. This is gone, this is gone, this is gone, this is gone. We are left with ax upon 2 whole square this is gone, this is we have here, this is gone, and we have x square, 1 upon x square. So this will be cancelled out with this. So we will be left with what? 2 limit x approaches 0 negative 1 into 1 into a square upon 4 2. We will be left with limit x approaches 0 negative a square by 2. Now we will calculate the value for limit x approaches to 0 positive. So we will write limit x approaches to 0 positive fx and So now we will calculate the value of limit x approaches to 0 positive fx, which is limit x approaches to 0 positive, which is not equal to 0. And as in the question we had that fx is 1 minus cos ax upon x sin x when x is not equals to 0. So we will use this here, and it will 1 minus cos ax upon x sin x, and as we did in the earlier part of the question, it will be convert to 2 sine square ax by 2 upon x sin x, and limit x approaches to 0 positive, same as we did earlier, we will sine square ax by 2 multiply and divide by this, and multiply and divide by this, and by the rule this and this will be 1, we'll be left with 2 into 1 into 1 into ax by 2 whole square into x square. This I have put to for x square, not that we have anything more. X square will cut this, and we will be left with limit x approaches to 0 positive 2 a square by 4. So it will be a square by 2. So we have been given that limit function is continuous, so x negative fx is equal to x positive fx is equal to limit of fx x approaches 0. So all are equal, so we can write that half is equal to a square by 2 is equal to a square by 2, because at x is equal to 0 we have calculated value as 1 by 2 as given in the question. So a square by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 2 and 2 will be cancelled. A square is equal to 1, and a will be plus minus of 1, and that's the value. Thank you guys for watching my video. If it helps you, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel and comment for recommendations for improvement. Thank you guys very much.